I'm missing a claw here. I can replace it with another claw. I couldn't find where I left them. I use the scrub brush. I got golden solder, which is supposed to be just copper and tin. It's supposed to be lead free. I have been able to add solder to the cat on this side. And now I just need to add solder to the clip here. So let's wipe my sponge in this curly Q on the open edge. And we'll add some solder to it. Okay. Let's wipe that off so it's like new solder. I want it to be straight though. And now there should be solder on here. And now we should be able to solder these together. Let's heat the other. How does it look? The soldering it will make it stronger. I'm gonna clip it so I can retain some of the heat. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try and actually clip on the so it can absorb some of that heat.